A region is a field or space on an eForm where a user can enter data. Regions are added on top of a form background image in the field-to-base Forms Designer software. There are many different types of regions, including text, numeric, date time, checkbox, calculation, and list, among others. Learn more about each of the different region types in the Region Types article or the individual region type videos. To add a region to your form, open your form in Forms Designer. Next, click on the Form tab on the menu ribbon at the top of the screen. Select Region from the menu ribbon if it is not already selected. Determine where you want to draw your region. Holding down the left mouse button, draw a box on the background starting at the top left corner and ending at the bottom right corner. Let go of the mouse button to complete your region. Once your region is completed, you will be presented with a Create Region dialog box. The Create Region dialog box allows you to set specific properties for each region. There are multiple tabs at the top of the dialog box. Each of these tabs contains a set of options for the region. Different region types may have different tabs available, but all region types have the General tab as the first tab displayed. Enter a unique name for your region in the Region Name field. The name may not contain spaces or special characters. As a best practice, Field2Base recommends that you name your regions to match your form background. For example, if your form background has an area for customer name, name your region Customer Name. In the Region Type field, select the region type you need from the drop-down menu. As mentioned earlier, you can find more information on each region type in the Region Types article or the individual region type videos. Region name and region type are the only required region properties. All other region properties are optional. Database column can be ignored as it is a deprecated feature and is no longer used. Selecting Enable Quick Copy for this region will allow a user to quick copy information into this region from a previously sent form. When the Quick Copy action is selected for a form in the Mobile Forms app, any region that has this option selected will copy data from the existing form into the new form. This option is checked by default for regions that allow quick copy. Some region types cannot be quick copied, for example, PIN and Unique ID regions. Selecting the This Field is Required option will require the region to contain data before the form can be sent. If no data has been entered, the Mobile Forms application will direct the user back to this field for completion before being able to send the form. Selecting This Field Value is Locked will not allow the user to enter new values or change existing values in the region. This option is usually used in conjunction with locking and unlocking the region with scripting. Selecting the Include this field in Analytics option will allow the data from this region to be used in an analytics dashboard. Contact the Field2Base Professional Services Department if you are interested in having us build or update an analytics dashboard for your company. Analytics is only available for enterprise tier customers. Contact your account representative if you are interested in adding the analytics feature to your account. In the web app and Windows-based version of Mobile Forms, a user can navigate to the next field on a form using the Tab key on a keyboard. The Tab Index option allows you to set the order in which each region will be highlighted when a user presses the Tab key. This feature is not available in either Android or iOS clients. Region instructions may be used to provide your users with helpful instructions on how to enter data in the region. Your instructions are presented to the user as a small question mark in the region. When the user clicks on the question mark, they will see the region instructions that have been entered in this field. For example, the instructions can give details on if a region is required or if a specific data format is needed. The Display tab allows you to customize the appearance of the region contents. Some types of regions have extra or different properties on the Display tab. For example, dates can have various display formats. Details on these extra properties are available in the Region Types article and the individual region type videos. Here you can choose the font, font size, font color, and options for bold, italic, or underlined font. Typing any value in the Preview Value field will allow you to preview how the value will appear in the form. The red box in the preview window shows where the region is placed on the form background. The Text Alignment section gives you control over the horizontal and vertical placement of the text within the region. You also have the ability to set the text alignment for multiple regions at once on the main screen, just below the main menu ribbon. The Work Order tab provides options to determine how the region behaves when filling out work orders in the portal. Field to Base offers several options for sending work orders to your users, but the options in this tab apply only to work orders being dispatched through the portal. Selecting Show this region when creating work orders in Admin Portal allows the region to appear as an available region for a dispatcher to fill out when submitting work orders in the original non-form view method. When creating a work order in the form view, the Show this region option in the region properties is not applicable. Selecting Order Index of this region on the work order page allows you to customize your work order page in the Field to Base portal. Inserting a number value in this option will determine where this region appears on the work order page. For example, if your region has a value of 1 for this option, then it will be the first region on the work order page in the portal. This option has no effect when filling out work orders in the form view. Selecting Require this region when entering work order data will require the dispatcher to complete this field in the work order page of the portal before they can send the work order to the user. This option is applicable to both the form view and non-form view methods of completing work orders in the portal. The default value on work order page allows you to set a default value to appear for this region each time the dispatcher opens the work order page in the portal. The dispatcher can still change the value in the portal if needed. For more details on filling out and dispatching work orders from the portal, see the Dispatching Work Orders from the Portal article or video. Different types of regions offer different tabs in the Create Region dialog box. For more in-depth information on each region type and their specific properties, see the article on region types or view the individual region type videos. For more information on using Forms Designer, visit the Forms Designer section of our Help Center at help.fieldtobase.com.